7 million Americans are more than 90 days behind on their car loans, nearing the peak from the Great Recession.
Every single day in 2026, someone signs a car contract that detonates under their feet. Not because they bought the wrong trim, not because they negotiated badly, not because they chose the wrong dealer. No, it's because the entire market has turned predatory. Right now, depreciation is unpredictable. Insurance is exploding. Repair costs just hit a 20-year. High EV resale is collapsing 40 to 60%. Negative equity is trapping 1 in 3 borrowers. One wrong car can drain $8,000, $10,000, even $12,000 before the buyer ever realizes they stepped into a trap. But a handful of vehicles, a rare handful, are immune to the chaos. These are the cars that hold their value, protect your money, survive market crashes, avoid negative equity. Last 10 to 15 years without drama. They aren't flashy. They aren't trendy. They aren't the ones influencers flex. They are the 10 smartest cars to buy in 2026. The cars that save you when the entire market wants you to drown. 1. Toyota Camry Hybrid, the car that refuses to die. The Camry Hybrid isn't a sedan, it's a financial survival tool. 52 miles per gallon, lowest cost per mile in this segment. Toyota's most reliable hybrid system ever, and the best resale value of any mid-size sedan in America. Fact, used Camry hybrids retain 68% of their value after 5 years, nearly double the national average. Real-world story. A 2020 Camry Hybrid with 110,000 miles sold above expected value while other sedans imploded. Why it's number 1? Because when the market burns, the Camry Hybrid walks through the fire untouched. It doesn't protect your wallet, it protects your future. 2. Honda CR-V Hybrid, the family budget armor. The CR-V Hybrid is what every financially responsible family eventually realizes. Reliability, features, resale, looks, predictability, hype. Best MPG of any non-luxury SUV. Rock-solid Honda durability. Resale retention that embarrasses competitors. Statistic. CR models retain 64% of their value after 5 years. Elite level stability. This SUV doesn't age. It holds position like concrete. When other SUVs bleed in thousands in depreciation, the CR-V Hybrid whispers, not me. 3. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, America's inflation-proof SUV. Some cars hold value. The RAV4 Hybrid defends value. It is the single most in-demand SUV in the country. Dealers overpay just to get them. They sell in days, sometimes hours. Fact, RAV4 Hybrids average under 18 days on dealer lots. One of the fastest in the nation. Reliable, efficient, durable. When every other SUV sinks, this one stays afloat like a life raft. 4. Tesla model with long range. The only EV that survived the crash. The EV market collapsed in 2025 to 2026. Values dropped 40 to 60%. Entire brands got wiped out, except one. The Tesla Model Y. Why? Best charging network in North America. Lowest maintenance of any EV. Highest nationwide EV demand. 2026 battery improvements that slowed depreciation. Statistic. Model Y retains 61% of its value after 5 years. The highest of any EV on the market. This car didn't drown with the rest. It adapted. It evolved. It survived. 5. Subaru Outback, the crisis vehicle. The Outback doesn't pretend. It prepares. A WD standard, top-tier safety, maintenance that's cheap and predictable, a loyal owner base that keeps resale strong. When roads get bad, or the economy gets worse, Outback owners just keep moving. This isn't a cool car. This is a survival car. And in 2026, survival is the flex. 6. Toyota Corolla Hybrid, the cheapest car to own in America. If there were a championship for saving money, this car would hold the trophy. 54 plus miles per gallon. Almost zero unexpected repairs. Low insurance, high resale. Statistic. Corolla hybrids cost 47% less to operate over 5 years than the average American vehicle. This car doesn't entertain you. It financially protects you every day you own it. 7. Honda Accord Hybrid, the sedan with no weaknesses. Some sedans focus on looks, some on efficiency, some on comfort. The Accord Hybrid does all three perfectly. Roomy cabin, luxury level comfort, massive reliability, 300,000 mile lifespan potential. It's the sedan for adults, the sedan for strategists, the sedan for people who think 10 years ahead. 8. Toyota Tacoma Hybrid, the truck that prints money. Truck resale is usually strong. Tacoma resale is legendary, and the hybrid makes it even stronger. More torque, better MPG, lower maintenance, explosive demand. Statistic: Tacomas retain 70 to 77% of their value at 5 years, the best of any truck under $60,000. This isn't a purchase, this is a long-term asset. 9. Lexus RX 350h, luxury without financial punishment. Luxury SUVs usually crash in value harder than anything on the road. But the RX 350h breaks every rule. Toyota engineering, hybrid efficiency, quiet luxury. Elite resale. Statistic: RX models retain 59% of their value after 5 years. Unheard of for a luxury SUV. This is luxury you can justify. Luxury you can trust. Luxury you can keep. 10. Toyota Highlander Hybrid, the three-row fortress. Three-row SUVs are depreciation disasters, except this one. Strong MPG, exceptionally reliable, massive nationwide demand, built to last a decade or more without drama. When families want safety and long-term value, they end up here every time. The vehicles that won't let you drown. Buying a car in 2026 isn't about style or speed or status. It's about survival. It's about choosing a vehicle that holds value, avoids negative equity, minimizes repairs, protects your finances, stays strong when the market collapses. These 10 cars don't just take you places, they keep you above water when the market tries to drag you under. Most cars cost you money. These cars save it. To choose like your future depends on it, because in 2026, it does.